Okay, just a very quick video. Pong, Khao Lak, located on the top end of the Khao Lak strip. Just give you an idea, pan round so you get an idea of its location. It's a beautiful little food court, this. Some of the best food you're going to get here, all cooked here. I'll just hold the menu for you. Now, I just recommend that you just freeze the video here, have a scoot through the menu and see what you like. I'll slowly pan through. The food here is very competitively priced, cooked fresh, and is extremely tasty. I've eaten here on numerous occasions. As you can see, the prices are very well priced. Everything's cooked, as you can see here at the front, and it's just a little food court. It's got a few fans in the ceiling to cool you off. Yeah, I think it opens around about lunchtime-ish. Not sure what time it shuts. I've walked past a couple of times. We're in June now, so it is low season, and it has been closed, but today it's open. So I just thought I'd give you a very quick review. I'd recommend this place, and it's opposite, where are we? I don't know if you know, but Sea Dragon Dive Centre is kind of like over here, and Khao Lak Sands is just behind the sign down there. Okay, so if you like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. It helps the channel and it gives other people a chance to find out some nice little places to go in Khao Lak, Thailand. Yeah, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.